Yes, we're giving 1 million Naira in cash split between 3 subscribers of this channel. Are you subscribed? Watch this video until the end to find out how to enter. Hey guys, it's Fisayo here and welcome back to another Finance Friday episode. You've heard me talk about Forex trading on the channel here before, and this time around we're talking about the new OctaFX rebrand and what you can benefit from it. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So first off, the app I've been using for this is OctaFX. I recommend you guys check out one of my videos where I talked about what you must know before you start trading Forex as a beginner. Over 300,000 of you guys watched that video. Thank you so much. And many of you found that video useful too. I then made another video on their copy trading app as well and everything you need to know about that, which is why the background is green and blue, by the way. I'll link those videos in the description below, but the focus of this video is OctaFX's app, the rebrand, what is new and what you stand to benefit from it. So guys, this is it. What you're about to see is an example of what we created to talk about the rebrand and some of the things that makes OctaFX stand out. What does a rebrand mean to you? New colors, a change to the design, or maybe it's a new logo? Beyond all these, I believe that a rebrand is a refresh to the action steps that gets a brand closer to its goals. For OctaFX, the objective is to help each trader make the most profitable and efficient trading decision. In 11 years of operation, OctaFX has consistently offered high-end trading experiences to more than 12 million users across 150 countries. You enjoy zero commissions, 0% swaps on your asset exchange, and multiple deposits and withdrawal methods to fit every user's needs. And speaking of deposit options, OctaFX just added a new feature that makes things even easier for more users. This is instant bank transfers. You can simply click on this option, click the amount you intend to deposit, and select your bank. Afterwards, you can add a promo code and confirm the deposit. You will then receive a unique account number to deposit money into from your banking app. Easy as ABC. These and many other features are what you get on the OctaFX Trading app. Being able to consistently solve modern problems with modern solutions earned OctaFX the award of the best Forex broker in Nigeria for 2022 by the Global Banking and Finance Review, and you really cannot argue with that. If you're interested in earning and allowing OctaFX to be your guide, check the link in the description below to download the app. The best part is you don't have to worry about easily losing your money, as OctaFX has tons of materials in form of webinars, courses, and newsletters that keep you up to date on all things Forex. You also get a demo account that allows you to practice everything that you've learned before actually putting your own money into trading. If you really want to trade though, you can use my code Fisayo to double your first deposit and maximize your trading capacity. The app is available on both the Google Play Store for Android users and the Apple App Store for iPhone users. So what did you guys think of that? Comment below. I also want to challenge you to make your own video, your own version about the rebrand and the benefits of OctaFX's trading platform. The video can be between 30 seconds to 1 minute long, and the categories to be one of the beneficiaries for these prizes are creativity, cinematography, and story. You don't have to use a high-end camera. You can use your phone. As far as the stories you tell are creative, you can be selected. Keep it simple. Make sure it's your work. Make sure your work is 100% original. Make sure it's new and make sure it's not been published before. When you make your posts, do share it on Instagram, TikTok, and or YouTube. And also make sure you tag us. Our handles will be in the description of this video. And then, very important, also use the hashtag #MyOctaFX rebrand. We're giving 500,000 Naira to the first position, 300,000 Naira to the second position, and 200,000 Naira to the third position. Make sure you've downloaded the real OctaFX app by clicking the link in the description. That will be the first link in the description. It's called OctaFX Trading app on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Also guys, make sure you're following all our handles. Again, they'll be linked in the description of this video. And fill the form, very important, fill the form to be fully entered in this campaign challenge. All right, that is all. I know it sounds like a lot, but just go over this video. That's everything you need to know so far. Once again, guys, I have to mention that investing involves a level of risk. I do not recommend investing without prior expertise. Also, guys, beware of scammers who use my name in the comment section. My handle is verified. Never send personal data or funds via messengers like WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. I will only reach out to you via email, so please take note of that. Please also do watch my 2 previous videos on forex trading and copy trading to know more about those topics. They'll be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the very next video.